Moses here from GuitarChimp.com. Today I'm playing a 1979 Les Paul Deluxe in wine red, beautiful guitar. And we're going to be checking out an awesome pedal from Stone Deaf Effects that's going to remind you a lot of your high school girlfriend. It's called the Trashy Blonde. All right, now I'm gonna play this Lakeland Bob Glaub signature through the pedal as well. The Stone Deaf Trashy Blonde is one of the most rock and roll distortions you're ever gonna hear. It has a clean button as well as just the trashy button, so you can use the paracentric EQ that's on it for a clean setting. Today I used the expression pedal along with it, which you are able to hear sort of a wah effect. You can get a very phase shift type of effect out of it as well. Fantastic addition. If you're gonna have this pedal, you really should have the expression with it because it makes a lot of difference. You've got a mix knob on it, which allows you to really bring in a lot of the dry signal, especially if you're playing bass through it. It seems to work out really well. You've got your trash, which is just your distortion. You've got a balance on top. You've got a couple of different frequencies, one specifically just for mids, and the bandwidth switch, which comes on most of the Stone Deaf pedals, is fantastic. You can get a fat signal, you can get a thin signal, you can really dial in exactly the tone that you want in such an easy way. And by having the expression pedal, you can even sort of do that real time on stage and find that sweet spot you're looking for. Guitar or bass, doesn't matter, it's all gonna sound good out of this pedal.